In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Finance portfolios. Google Finance is an excellent tool for anyone interested in managing and tracking their investments with a straightforward and user-friendly interface. Let's dive in and guide you through the process of setting up your portfolio on this platform. First, you need to navigate to google.com/finance. This is your gateway to a world of financial information, so bookmarking this page could be a good idea for easy access in the future. Once you are on the site, look to the right side of the page. There you'll find a section labelled Your Portfolios. Underneath you'll see a prompt to click New Portfolio. This is where you begin the journey of organising your financial assets. After you click New Portfolio, a field will open up where you're prompted to enter a name for your portfolio. Naming your portfolio thoughtfully can help you manage and distinguish it if you plan on having multiple ones. For example, you may want to create separate portfolios for different investment goals or strategies, such as retirement savings or high-risk investments. Once you've settled on a name, you'll need to click Save to confirm and create your new portfolio. At this point, you're ready to start adding investments. Click on Add Investments and begin populating your portfolio with valuable assets tailored to your financial goals. Next, you'll need to search for a company or index. You can do this by typing in the ticker symbol such as AAPL for Apple, TSLA for Tesla, or Google for Alphabet. Ticker symbols are shorthand for the full company name, and they're used universally in stock exchanges for easier reference. After selecting the investment, you'll input the specifics, the number of shares you own, the price you paid for each, and optionally the date of purchase. It's useful to be as accurate as possible here, as this information will help you track your performance more effectively. Once you've entered this information, click Save to add the investment to your portfolio. Now your portfolio can begin to take shape, and you'll be able to track the value of your investments in real time and compare their performance with other stocks, indexes, and even against your other portfolios. Don't forget, Google Finance provides not just an overview of your investments, but also detailed analyses and the latest news that could affect your financial decisions. Finally, you can create multiple portfolios to reflect different strategies, or to keep personal and business investments separate. By organising them in this way, you can keep track of where you're excelling and where adjustments might be necessary to optimise your financial health, and that's how you can harness Google Finance to streamline your investment tracking. Happy investing!